Make a great choice today with the 2022 Chevy Malibu, a combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, illuminated entry, rear view camera, heated seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.